Hello, Febs. I see your friend Nduka. I have an important update for all the married women. Now, listen up. Married women, this is for you. Listen, and listen well. No matter the clash you have with your partner, as long as your life is not threatened, no matter the clash, do not spill out from your mouth that you are done with him. Do not be the first or even spill out of your mouth at all that you are done with the marriage. Even when he's threatening to throw you out, keep quiet. Okay? No matter the clash, do not make this mistake. Like I said, this experience has spoiled things for many women. It has put them out of their marriages and given them no chance to return. So do not be the first, don't be in a haste to tell the man that you are done. Okay? As long as your life and that of your children is not threatened, name, stay there. Don't spill it out of your mouth that you are going. Nor even think of carrying your things to leave the man's house. You never can tell the plan of the devil. And if there is a side chick at the corner waiting behind or by the side for you to move out. Okay? So don't make that mistake. Okay? Resolve it. Every clash can be resolved. And then go to God in prayer. I love you. Bye.